Hi guys, welcome to Algorithms Made Easy. My name is Khushbu and in this video we'll see the question best time to buy and sell stock part 2. You are given an array of prices where price at index I is the price of the given stock on ith day. On each day you may decide to buy and or sell the stock. You can hold at most one share of a stock at any given time. However, you can buy it and then immediately sell it on the same day. Find and return the maximum profit you can achieve. Here are a few examples that are given with the question, and we'll see one of the examples while we see how we can solve this question. So let's take this example wherein I have plotted the graph for this price. So on day 0 the price is 7, on day 1 the price is 1, and so on. Over here we can see that we can attain a profit on this particular part and in this particular part. Why? Because we see that the price is increasing for this particular part of the array. So what we need to find out in this array is the increasing sequence of the numbers and add all the differences from highest to lowest number. That will give us the profit for these particular sections. Now let's focus on this particular part. Over here we have 3 transactions at point A, B and C. And the total profit that we can attain is C minus A, which is the maximum profit that we can have. Now, in order to find this, we can either calculate C minus A or we can also calculate the profit at each transaction, which is the transaction wherein I buy at A, sell at B, and buy at B and sell at C. So this 2 transactions will also give me C minus A as this B gets cancelled out. So what we get from this is that whenever we find a value that is higher than the current value, we will calculate the profit at that point. So if my previous value was lesser than this current value at which I am, or my next value is greater than the current value, whichever way you want to calculate it, you can calculate the profit. So this will be calculating the profit at each step, and in this way you can go ahead and iterate over the array and find out the cumulative profit that you have earned throughout the number of days that you have been given. So this was all about the theory behind solving the question. I hope you have understood the logic that we need to apply. So firstly, I would recommend you to write down the code by yourself, and if you get stuck somewhere, you can follow the code which I'll be showing now. So let's go ahead and code this particular approach that we talked about. Let's take a few variables. The first one is n, which is length of the prices array. And we'll take profit, that is going to be our result. Initially that will be 0. Now what we are going to do is we are just going to iterate over the array. So over here I'll start with index 1 and compare price with previous one. So let's take a for loop. Now if I'm getting a profit, I'll add it in the profit variable. And finally at the end, I'll just return the profit. Let's run this code. And it's giving a perfect result. Let's submit this. And it got submitted. So the time complexity for this particular approach is O of n for this for loop. And the space complexity is O of 1 because we are not using any extra space other than this variables. So that's it for this question, guys. I hope you like the video. Do share your thoughts in the comments, and also if you like the video, please hit the like and subscribe button to get the updates on the new videos we post. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.